Hello, my YouTube family. I am back with another video. And tonight, I got my baby boy Jamari with me. Say hey, Jamari.
Hey.
Okay, so tonight it's a little late and we both hungry because I know he hungry. He probably mad at me by now because I waited too long. But anyways, we're going to do a little challenge because he think he can beat me. So we got McDonald's 10-piece chicken nuggets. We have 3 apiece, so that makes 30 nuggets apiece. And we got us a large fry. We got us some barbecue sauce, some ranch, I think that's buffalo sauce, and sweet and sour. You want some buffalo sauce? You sure? You positive? Okay. You sure? Okay. So, we're going to try to eat these 30 chicken nuggets and these large fries within 10 minutes, y'all. He think he can beat me. He keeps saying he gonna go in, so we gonna see.
I am.
All right.
I eat more than Jahad.
Oh my God, you're not gonna eat 30 though, and a large fry.
I eat more than Jahad.
Okay, we gonna see. We gonna see. Okay, so let's go ahead. My oldest son, he's gonna go ahead and set the timer for 10 minutes for us, y'all. You got the timer? Set it for 10 minutes. Right. Set it for 10 minutes. Okay, so now let's go. You ain't got the first chicken in yet. That ranch good. They're good. I wish I could enjoy them. There's 2. You trying to rest? It's harder. No. I think I'm on 3rd one. Keep counting for us, y'all. Barbecue good too. You should try that buffalo sauce. Okay.
It's really hard.
I told you when you trying to rest it, it's hard, ain't it? I'm gonna tell your tail up.
That ranch is good.
It is. That ranch is good. The sauce has to go down a little bit smoother. You try sweet and sour. Oh, that's what you got. It's good. I'm trying it now. Yeah, I'm tearing you up. Yeah, 3 of them.
No, you cheating.
Yeah.
No way you got that many on that room.
You know. Yeah. I'm going this one, y'all. This one, that means I'm at 18. How you catch up that fast? You cheating. What you do? Keep doing. Mm-mm. Open your box. I'm not good look. It's just hot. Oh yeah, I'm telling you what.
They ain't putting enough in that one.
I'm telling you, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 left, and I ate just the 4th one in my hand. How many minutes we got left? 5:34. That ain't easy.
Look at you.
Bro.
I feel the weight starting to get to me.
Hmm.
I'm all up. I'm past it.
Alright.
I feel it's starting to get some.
I can't get this out my mouth.
I'm good chicken nuggets starting to get
I
some.
feel like a little squirrel. It's stuck in my jaw. you know how the squirrels stir nuts in their jaw? That's why I got this thing to chicken stuffed in my jaw. Oh,
I can feel the weight starting to get to me.
me too.
After this, I'll go lay down.
I'm gonna have to tap out. I can't do it.
Past it.
I'm gonna eat no fries. Really more. Really? It makes it sound like you ate way more than me.
I'm beating her.
How many you got in there?
1.
Oh. I got 2, y'all. Oh, I want to see it. I got 2. Actually 3. There's one still in my hand, y'all.
1 box left.
The same for me. I'm gonna catch up.
2 more minutes left. You gonna catch up? Positive, you gonna catch up?
I'm gonna catch up.
It's harder than look.
It really is.
Got no more left after this.
None, y'all.
You done with that?
What? What? Hard, ain't it? You was talking all that junk. What? What's your butt dinner?
I got a disadvantage.
What?
My braces.
Oh, okay. Yeah, me too.
Look,
I'm older than you. They eat that much food.
I'm younger though.
What's on you? You looking at like you're a bite or something. What was it?
I get so much sauce in it. It was some honey mustard.
Mm-hmm.
Technically, I won
Mm-hmm. Oh,
the prize.
not yet.
Mm-hmm.
Why eat more chicken nuggets? It took your time. We just have to
The
get
prize
them
is more lighter. No, I'm not talking chicken nuggets. So technically, if I eat more fries, I can win still.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Need some more chicken nuggets.
No, the fries is still in the challenge, so technically, if I
The
eat
chicken
fries-
nuggets heavier, so how you think you weigh? If I'm gonna win.
But these are lighter.
I'm gonna win. So
No, you're
you
not.
weigh heavy stuff. Right.
How?
Right, because them lighter.
I put more of them going than the chicken nuggets.
Mm-hmm.
They don't eat them.
I wish Jihad would have burnt that lighter for a little bit more.
You want to blind it?
Mm-hmm.
It's already bright enough.
Mm-hmm. Okay. That's it, y'all. 10 minutes up. Let's see what the winner is.
I won.
Okay, he ate some fries.
I won.
How many nuggets you got left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look, y'all.
Alright,
5 nuggets.
but look at all these fries. She didn't even eat no fries.
The
She
fries.
didn't eat no fries.
The fries don't mean nothing.
The fries do mean something. It's still
I ate heavy chicken.
You put the
5. So 30, right? And I got 5 left. That means I ate 25 nuggets, y'all. How many you got left?
8. Alright, but that's only 3. That's only 3 more.
It don't matter.
Alright, and I still ate most of the fries.
Don't matter.
Yes, it does, because the fries are still a part of the challenge.
Don't matter.
Mm-hmm. The fries are still part of the challenge. She still got the whole thing of fries. I got half left.
I know.
That counts.
So I won.
Yes, you did.
You woo woo! I beat my son, y'all. Why he think he can beat
Man,
me?
she was cheating anyway, because they didn't even put 10 chicken nuggets in the boxes.
He got my nuggets, y'all. He got the rest of them.
I knew it.
And 3. I got 2 right here. How many I have left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
I know I wasn't tripping.
7, 8. I got 10. I got a whole 10 pieces.
I knew I wasn't tripping. I knew I wasn't tripping. No way.
Let me make sure. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, I had a whole 10 pieces left, y'all. I ate 20 nuggets. So, technically,
I won.
my son won. He got 8 nuggets left, and he ate some fries. In 10 minutes. So, how many nuggets you ate? So, how many nuggets you ate?
22.
22 nuggets. And I ate 20. You beat me. Okay, y'all, we're back. And as I was saying, my son won. He ate 22. He ate 2 nuggets more than me.
You didn't even drink none. That's
No, and I still couldn't
that was
eat.
your problem, because if you would have drunk something, it would have cleared your throat.
No, the drink helped you get fuller.
No, it didn't. That helped me perfectly.
With 2 extra nuggets? Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
And I have a thing of fries. Okay.
Yeah.
Whatever.
That helped me.
Whatever. So, y'all, that is the end of our video. I guess my son proved me wrong. He can beat me eating the chicken nuggets. He ate 2 more and I have a thing of fries. I couldn't eat no fries. I was scared it was going to get me fuller, so I was trying to get more meat down. But obviously I couldn't. But anyways, I thank y'all for watching. It is late. We got to get ready for school and work and all kind of things tomorrow. So, this is the end of this video. And until next time, see you later.